Hi friends, it's Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. This is my Zephirine Drouhin roses. As you can see, this bush has put out a lot of new canes last year. Unfortunately, I couldn't train them over this trellis. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm training my climbing rose Zephirine Drouhin. So in the spring, almost end of May, these trellis will be filled with beautiful blooms. So let's get into the video and see how I'm achieving the training. And as you can see, they started really bulging, and all these will produce a new lateral branch, a smaller one, and then blooms will be coming out of that. And it is vital that I do this step early in the spring or late winter, so these doesn't get hurt when I do that later. So anyway, coming to training my rose climber, I am not an expert, but I found this Zephirine Drouhin is an amazing plant and produces lots of healthy canes. To enjoy the blooms out of each cane, I train them along this trellis. My plan today is to have all of the canes moved gently to this side and then tie them up using the cotton twine that I purchased from dollar store and do some pruning. That's my plan today. So now I have moved at least 2 canes that you can see they were like on the way of pathway here in this raised bed. So one by one I'm slowly moving them and training them on the trellis. So I have a lot of canes, and technically you can get rid of damaged dead ones and anything that crossing. So many canes in this plant. I will see maybe down the line when the years goes, and if the plant is suffering, I will try to remove some of the branches, but right now I'm going to just leave them the way they are. And you can see this branch is dead, and couple of branches here are dead as well. So this one you can see, I don't know, you can see the color difference. This one is green and this one is brown and dead. So any dead woods like this one and this one, I'll be removing. So anything that crosses or comes on your way, like this one, you want to remove these branches. So yeah, that's pretty much I do. And you can see all itty bitty branches. So what I do is I at least remove 50% of this small branches, so I can have more blooms. So that is another thing I do. Now I have almost halfway through. As you can see, I have trained all the climbers to go this way, and I still have a couple of more to finish, and these will also be trained this way. So I'm hoping this year I will have both sides filled with beautiful flowers. Fingers crossed. Alright guys, I have actually moved all of the canes to that side of trellis, and this is the only one left. And I just want to show you something. See, I don't know if you can see, let me show you. Look at this canes, and this cane is completely almost, I think, coming from the bottom, and it grows like beyond this evergreen tree. So look at how much it has grown. Must be 20 feet or more than that. Look at this, guys. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to see how I should really train this, because this branch or this cane looks really pretty. If I train that as slanted, it will produce a lot of lateral canes, because in climbing rose mostly the main cane is not to really produce blooms. They will just grow upright. But if you have them trained in a way horizontally or in a little bit in angle, they produce a lot of lateral canes and the smaller branches, and they will be loaded with ton of blooms. So that's the idea. So I'm just thinking whether I should train this way or this way. Let me see. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Please support my channel by subscribing, commenting and sharing it with your friends.